event of your parent or your spouse passing away, the first thing you would do would be to contact Canada Revenue Agency and notify them of your loved one's passing. Secondly, you should contact all government agencies such as Canada Pension, Old Age Security, EI, GST, as well as any other forms of income such as a current employer or a financial institution for any investment purposes. You need to make arrangements to stop payment on any incomes coming in, or perhaps transfer the income to a beneficiary or surviving spouse if they're eligible. If a taxpayer is eligible for the pension income amount, which is the $2,000 non-refundable tax credit, and they're married or have a common law spouse, they can elect to transfer up to 50% of their eligible pension income to that spouse to lower their tax liability. It's not a transfer of income, but merely a different way of reporting the income to the spouse who is not receiving pension, so therefore she also or he also receives the additional tax credit. But you please understand that Canada Pension and Old Age Security are not eligible pensions. If you're wondering if your company pension or your annuities are eligible, then you should contact Canada Revenue and they'll let you know for sure. The only department that can determine if you're eligible for a disability tax credit would be Canada Revenue Agency. The first thing you need to do as a taxpayer is to obtain a copy of the T2201 application form and fill out the required sections by yourself and your family doctor. Once this form is completed, you must send it to Canada Revenue, and it could take up to 3 to 6 months for the process to be finalized, but once you are approved, then you will be eligible for this valuable tax credit. This tax credit will help lower the amount of taxes that you are liable for with the government, and if you're not in a taxable position, you do certainly have the option of transferring this tax credit to your spouse or to any other individual whom you are dependent upon. If you require any information, you can certainly visit the website for Canada Revenue Agency, www.cra.gc.ca, or you can call Canada Revenue Agency at their General Inquiries line at 1-800-959-8281. You can also contact your own personal tax preparer or your accountant, because these people would be knowledgeable on tax information that you would require.